Isang subscriber natin dito na pinaila siya ng case ng kanyang dating employer at na-dismiss ito. Ang case ay theft, no? So kailan daw siya pwede mag-file ng case for moral damage. Ang ibig sabihin ng ating subscriber dito, babalikan niya ng kaso ang kanyang employer, yung dating employer, ng malicious prosecution. Now, sa Susmeña case, sinabi ng Supreme Court na malicious prosecution can happen with damages brought by one's criminal prosecution, civil suit, or other legal proceedings with petitions instituted or without probable cause after the termination of such prosecution, suit, or legal proceeding in favor of the defendant. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, pagka na-terminate na criminal prosecution na walang probable cause in civil suit, no, or other legal proceeding, doon ka na pwede mag-file ng malicious prosecution case laban dyan sa employer.